Hello there. Today I show you my vibrant smoke art Photoshop action, how to use it and custom it, and introducing you all layer and everything, how to apply and customize it. This is our cover image. Previously apply some image and this script is unlimited color version, include like multicolor and the dual exposed color, and you can on color convert very easily. See the on color is very nicely set up the cinematic looking style, and this is the double exposing color style, and this is the black and white version. See the double expose and a single color and double expose and multicolor and a single color, double color. So it's very easy to use. Just wait and see, I show you. Okay, this is the single, not after and before. Okay, now first go my download file. There is a main file and download. There is include I have brush file, help file, and our supporting information. This is the script action file, and this is the cover image. Okay, and this one is our supporting information. You can join our support, live support any desk, and firstly message WhatsApp or email and or Facebook, then fix the time if needed any kind of support. And this is the help file. You can read how to use it, notepad format, and we have written format. There some information include our supporting information, written format, how to use. Everything is details you can check there. Okay, if you see this video, watch this video, so it's easy for you. First load the brush, select and double click this brush, select and double click your mouse, then it's loaded automatically your Photoshop if your Photoshop is open. Okay, or you can load it manually. Go window and the brush section and brush plate show, and you can more option, click and input brush and find out the my download file and go there, main file there, and the brush format is show. Select and load button, click. Now brush is loaded. The last one is the my loaded brush. Okay, this one. See, I have closed it now. Now go window and action option, click. Maybe action option show the right side any of area, but I have settled it left side for my video watching purpose. Perfectly full area in my screen showing purpose. The more option, click, and the load action, click. Now you can find out my download file. There is the vibrant smoke art. Select and load button, click. Now it's loaded up and down option. This is the last one. This is the folder, and this one is our script. So go window and the layer option, click. If not, the layer panel show. Now we can open your photography. So this time I have show this one first. So if your photography is not enough space, the top side and left side or bottom side, any of area, you need to first fix it. This is not my action required, but if you fix the area out of area, then our smoking is show, decoration is show perfectly. So crop tool, select and make some space. Do not use the over, like idea the your subject and the space, just basic idea. Okay, like this type of, and OK button, click, tick mark, then it's crop automatically, and make sure your photography is a lock icon show and background name is background. Some photography is a PNG or layer 0 format, that is not accept our action. If your photography layer 0 format show, you need to do first this step, otherwise action make the result. Right button, click and fit an image. Make sure fit an image. Okay, make sure fit an image and lock icon is show. Okay, and make sure your photography is RGB color mode. If not the RGB color mode, go image mode RGB and 8-bit channel. Click the RGB color, and if show any message, click OK button and go again and 8-bit channel click. Okay. Now I have checking the image size. If your photography is a over extra large size, so you can use the standard size for time saving purpose. Sometimes some photography is more than over high resolution. So if you use the high resolution image, then action needs some time extra. You can use the standard size. Standard size I have written my help file. You can check out the help file, or you can watch this video like 300 pixel, any of side area, like any high any side. You can type 300 pixel or 3500 pixel and 400 pixel. This is the standard size. Okay, I have typed 300 pixel and make sure is a join it, then it's auto. Your other side is ratio. Okay button click. Now is high resolution, and do this step as it is. Go selection and select subject button click. If you select the select subject button, then your photography is now selection. You can quick selection tool select, and you can perfect the selection if needed, or you can do this brush, use the brush. So see as it is selection, and now create a new layer, and make sure you change the layer name BRUSS. Same my spelling, do not include any other character, space, hyphen, comma, uppercase, lowercase, only lowercase brush, and click the other area. BRUSH, same spelling, do not mistake. And now we can fill up it. Pen bucket tool select, then there is the pen bucket tool, any highlighted color. I have select the red color and fill up it brush layer. And now selection mode is on. You need to first deselect, then apply the script, otherwise error result. Selection and deselect. Okay? And then there is the some mistake, so you can brush, select the brush and select brush layer, and you can brush the other area, which area is the mistake. Auto selection sometime is mistake, but maximum time is working perfectly. This is you can use any of tool, but select the fill up the brush layer and make sure the deselection mode, and make sure if any path include the path layer, you must be delete the path, then you can apply the script. Okay, I think is done, and there is the mistake I have recovered for brush tool. Okay, sure, for professional purpose you can nicely decorate it. I think it's done, and I have select the brush layer and select all in on play action play me. Hit the play button. Now is working, start working, depend my PC configuration and image resolution size. All layers are separate and everything is included. Okay, wait and see. In this time I have show you something. Visit my channel MRI Kokon, and there is free product video how to use and download link include there. This is the free file. You can watch this video and another free file video on how to use, and download link include this video description. And you can visit our site on site. This is our on site www.photoshopaction.net, and there is the flash sale going on. The flash sale discount on 40% and bundle is 99%. You can check out bundle section, flash selection, and also you can separately category, and there is the all option. Check out there. Free file is available. You can download free file. Download our licensed product there. Creative Market Shop, MRI Studio. You can download our all product is there, and update product is available there. This is the update icon. This is the update icon. So this product we have recently update. If you buy our product and we lifetime enjoy the update, and if you like to QC product download, visit our graphics river shop MRI Kokon. This is all. There is the all our QC product, and all profile link I have include my video description. In this video description, check out video description. And I think is the finish. Hello there, action is done working now. You can custom. So this is the default setting message, and this is the result. See, this is a default setting, not a final result. Final result is something hidden there. Everything maximum is hidden there. You can just pick and show up a new look. See, there is the top shade sun option. See the sun blast include, and uncheck this one, then another looking. And if you want to the dual color version, you can use this one, the dual color version. Okay, this is the dual color effect, dual combination. And if you don't like this combination, you want to change the combination, so dual color effect one, just click this one, the eye, and double click this icon, and there is the button, there is the option toolbar, show the property, and you can move it. See, just one click is change your photographic color. See, is very nice. You can set up any type of color. You can lace the color effect. You can just saturation, you lace the left side, and more color you can update it. So it's very user friendly. And this is the black and white option. See, the black and white is very nice tone. It's not only dark black, this is blackberry color tone. And another color option, another color. See the color adjustment and another color. So you can use all and try to all color effect. And there is the option, the another color changing. Double click this option and change the color. See, very easily you can convert. Uncheck and another color. See, and if you uncheck this one, and see, there is another style show, and double click this one, double color expose I have changed. See the color option, but I have unchecked this one. If you want to real photography use color tone, you can view this one and select this marks point, and you can brush some of area. Our effect show, sorry, see, just main focus area is real, and others area our effect is show. If you select and brushing, make sure to soft brush and black color. Soft brush is include my brush or default general brush, and I have hide this one now. And this is the another option, the spark, and there is the color changer spark. This one is a spark. See, and double click this option. If think this spark is not match, so you can convert any of color. See, but I think our default colors spark color is very nice. Okay, and there is the option, uncheck this one. This is the another color option, and you can use another black version and another black version, or also you can select and marks, and let's remove the realistic option. So just top color is black. Just check out which color is work is remove white or black. Sometimes it's different. See, I have removed exterior. Okay, if needed you can do this. And there is the this one is the glow, and select marks, and you can glow remove. So white color not remove, black color needed this time. So I have removed some of area in the pink color. And this one is another extra, our extra shining in smoke, and there is the color changing option. Double click this option, you can change color, but I think is not needed. This is not perfectly worked sometime, but some people need this type of contrast color grading. See, this one is another one, and double click this one, and you can change the color very easily. See, is nice. And another one, and there is the white version. you can use the white version and then uncheck the shade in top side, and this is the texture. You can place the texture and double click this option. You can set up any of color. Any of color is suitable and match. OK button click, then color is switch. Okay. And if you want to need the transparent PNG, you can uncheck the texture. Make sure you uncheck the texture and background and background and background and background. Now is a transparent PNG, and as file export, quick export as a PNG. You can use a t-shirt painting, mock painting, any sublimation painting for use this transparent PNG. Okay. And this is the black version decoration, and we can use this one. See the extra color looking shining, and use this one, the dark blue color shade, another one, and another option. See the black looking is very gorgeous this time, and another one. See the flags. So color is very easy. Now I show you another photography how it's set nicely. Just wait and see. I have opened this one, and do this time I have first and make the space. Okay, and already lock background color, and I have checked the image size 300 pixel, lock background layer already, and quick select subject button click. Okay, brush, and I have fill up any and deselect, and hit the play button. And this time I have show the all process video. Just wait and see, it's working, and all layer our hidden resource. We work more 2 day or 3 day, but you get the result 1 minute or 2 minutes. So it's save you time. It's very nicely work any type of image, and composition says set up any type of photography. And wait and see. Hello there, action is done working. Now we can custom. This is the default setting message. See the result is very professional and high quality HD quality. The sunblast and the dual color. See, and dual color changer. Double click and you can set up dual color. And the sunblast you can use if you think. And you can uncheck the top this color, and there is the more shining look. Okay, so thanks for watch this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message our profile, MRI Studio Facebook fan page, and our WhatsApp number, and subscribe our channel MRI Cocoon for upcoming video.